What happens when you combine one of the best designed smartphones out right now with the timeless design of the Porsche 911? Well, you get this, the Porsche designed Honor Magic V2 RSR, and I've partnered with Honor to tell you all about it. Now, the unboxing experience is very special. We get this black on black branded box, similar to SuperSaf style. And inside, we get the device, there is a stylus, and then we have 3 individual boxes. The first box has a 2-pin 66-watt supercharger, as well as a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. The second box has a 3-pin 66-watt supercharger, also with a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, so you are covered for multiple regions. And the third box has a premium leather case, which looks so slick. There's a box with some paperwork. There's a very nice and premium looking case for the stylus, as well as a Porsche designed SIM card tool. And here it is, and I think you'll agree with me that this looks so slick. So the fly line on the phone's back is reminiscent of the hood of the Porsche 911, and the triple ring camera setup is designed to resemble a Porsche car's rounded luxurious windshields. And then we have this agate grey color, which is an original color that's been tuned by Porsche design. I absolutely love this satin finish. We have the Honor and Porsche design logos going through the middle too. Now, the design of this is of course based on the Honor Magic V2, so it is just 9.9 millimeters thin when it is folded, and that makes it the thinnest inward folding smartphone currently on the market. We've got a super light titanium hinge, so it is very durable despite being so compact, and it weighs just 234 grams. That's the weight of a regular smartphone. I genuinely cannot emphasize how impressive the engineering is of the Porsche designed Honor Magic V2 RSR. It is so amazing. Now, because of its compact design, it's going to mean that you can use this as a regular smartphone when it is closed. You've got a 6.43-inch exterior display, which has a 120 Hz refresh rate. This is using LTPO technology and has a peak brightness of 2500 nits. And it has an anti-scratch nano crystal shield. This is the industry's most scratch-resistant screen glass, and it utilizes a process to apply a layer of silicon nitride coating onto the nanocrystal glass material. Now, silicon nitride is often used by the automotive industry as a core engine and bearing component for high-end, sophisticated race and road cars. So we've got those elements here onto the smartphone, and it's going to make it 10 times more scratch resistant and drop resistant compared to a regular smartphone. And when we do open the device, we are presented with the beautiful 7.92-inch foldable OLED display. This also has a 120 Hz refresh rate. Now, what's even more unique about the Honor Magic V2 series is that we've got stylus support both on the outside as well as the inside screens. We've seen stylus support on the internal screens of other foldable devices. Having it on both the outside and inside makes so much more sense. So what's powering this? Well, the Porsche design Honor Magic V2 RSR is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform. It has 16 gigabytes of RAM with 1 terabyte of storage. So performance, of course, is top notch, but Honor has now partnered with Gameloft. So for the first time on a foldable smartphone, you're going to be able to play Asphalt 9 Legends at 120 frames a second. Now, having gamed on this over the past few weeks, I have to say, for me, this has been the best gaming experience for Asphalt 9 Legends on any smartphone. The larger display makes you appreciate all of the details that you have in the cars and the environments, and most importantly, being able to play at 120 frames a second makes everything so smooth. Now let's talk about the cameras. So we do have two 16 megapixel front-facing cameras. There is one on the exterior display as well as one on the interior display. And then we have a triple rear-facing camera setup on the back. There is a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50 megapixel primary camera, as well as a 20 megapixel telephoto camera. Now, if you're taking photos with the Porsche design Honor Magic V2 RSR, then you probably want to let everybody know that you're taking pictures with this. And you can do that with two watermark options, a traditional watermark which overlays, or if you don't want to distract the image, then you can have the Honor frame watermark. Now we have all of the awesome features that we had on the Honor Magic V2. So my favorite is AI motion sensing capture. So this is going to actually use AI to predict motion in your shots. So if you're jumping or doing any kind of action, then it's going to be able to determine when that specific point is and capture that for you automatically. You can also use this in tripod mode, so you can have it at 90 degrees, rest it somewhere, go in front and get the perfect shot. And if you want the best quality selfies that you can get, then you can use the rear-facing cameras as front-facing cameras by using the cover screen as a preview. For the battery, we have a 5000 milliamp silicon carbon battery, and I still can't get over the fact that they've managed to fit in a massive battery in such a compact form factor. And to charge up that battery very quickly, we do have the included 66 watt Honor superchargers. So that is the Porsche design Honor Magic V2 RSR. I do not have pricing information as yet, but as soon as that's available, that will be linked down in the description below. What do you guys think of the Porsche design Honor Magic V2 RSR? Drop me a comment below and let me know your thoughts. If you want to see some related videos, I'll link those here and here. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do smash that like button for me. And if you haven't already, then do consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that bell icon so you don't miss future coverage. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.